Welcome to Cyber Safety in a Snap. In today's episode, we're talking about password security, a fundamental aspect of staying safe online. Think of your passwords as the keys to your digital life. Here's how to make them rock solid in just 60 seconds. Tip 1. Strong passwords. Use a blend of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Tip 2. Unique for each account. Avoid reusing passwords across multiple accounts. Make each one unique. Tip 3. Password manager. Consider employing a password manager to create and store your passwords securely. Tip 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Wherever feasible, switch on two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Tip 5. Regular updates. Rotate your passwords regularly to keep them fresh. And there you have it. Password security in a snap. Remain safe online and keep these tips in mind. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this beneficial, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive more quick cyber safety tips. See you in the next shorts.